Acupuncture is an ancient art. What they found from years and years of observation is that there are certain points on the body that cause a physiological effect. When these acupuncture points, acupoints, are stimulated with hair-thin needles, it can cause certain effects. For example, it can help with digestion, it can help with a person's headache, with pain, relaxing muscle tissues, so on and so forth. So the way deep tissue massage works is that it works at a deeper level, as the name pertains to. So in other words, there could be issues which are caused by deeper muscles, or maybe fibers that are deeper in the muscle, and it needs to be addressed. Light massage will not do it. Deep tissue massage will go into those areas and work specifically on those areas that are deeper to help relieve pain, decrease muscle spasming, and also relax tissues. So why would we combine acupuncture and deep tissue massage together? Well, simply put, deep tissue massage works very well at decreasing muscle tightness, connective tissue tightness, any form of soft tissue tightness. Acupuncture can do that, but acupuncture also works in a deeper fashion. In other words, there's a deeper relaxation that I've found using acupuncture in combination with the deep tissue massage. So some of the conditions that I've found very useful in regards to using both acupuncture and massage together, deep tissue massage, are headaches, migraines, irritable bowel syndrome, or digestive type of issues, and not to mention anxiety and depression. So those are a handful of things that I found very, very useful when I combine both acupuncture and massage together. So what should you expect during a combination of acupuncture and massage together? What you'll find is that when I work on you as a patient, the first part of the treatment is generally, there's some level of tenderness and pain involved with it, especially because I'm using deep tissue massage techniques, working on the connective tissue, especially if the tissues are very tight. They've been chronically tight for maybe months, maybe years. The second part generally is more relaxing, which is kind of ironic in that people tend to be scared of needles, but there tends to be more relaxation after I stick the needles in, and that's usually the second part of the treatment. It may flip around depending on what I'm finding in regards to the assessment, but generally that's what you should expect. So here are some of the quotes that I've heard patients state to me after using acupuncture. They'll say that they feel lighter, maybe lighter the whole body. It feels like almost like they feel like some weight's being lifted off, as one description by one of my patients. It could be that they feel light around the area that's actually the problematic area. They might also feel very, very tired and relaxed, very, very chilled out, in a matter of fact, during the treatment and after the treatment. Another one that they sometimes feel is that they feel very heavy, and it takes a bit of time before the body gets back into ramping up into the usual everyday type of mode. But for the most part, they tend to feel very, very relaxed afterwards. The one thing that I have found acupuncture to be very, very useful for is for women's health issues, especially issues such as painful menstruation. One that I found that's been fairly helpful for a number of my patients is actually hot flashes. So combining both massage and acupuncture has been very helpful in terms of decreasing the frequency, the intensity, the duration. It may not totally wipe it out, but at least it brings it to a level where it's more livable. So what I found to be truly outstanding over the years that I've been combining acupuncture and massage in regards to a particular condition is what I call the pain anxiety cycle. Now, you've probably heard me mention this many times in the previous videos, but basically somebody who's going through chronic pain, has had a long-standing injury, and it seems to be having a hard time getting better. I found that combining acupuncture and massage to be very useful in terms of breaking that pain and anxiety cycle, especially the acupuncture side of things. So somebody who might be worried about their pain, and the pain tends to increase when they become more anxious, this is a great way to cut off that anxiety that they feel when the pain starts to build up.